Hi, welcome to this 10-minute yoga workout. I'm Charmaine, and during this class, we'll be activating full body flexibility and mobility, from deepening your hip flexor stretches to engaging upper, middle, and lower back, as we work the full length of the spine to deepen your back bends. This sequence can be practiced any time of the day, so come to standing at the top of your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get ready to flow into flexibility. Feet are hip distance apart. We're about to move through some drills to activate mobility. Inhale, arms sweep up and overhead, palms touch. Exhale, make a fist behind the back as you run the chest open, shining the sternum to the ceiling or the sky. Exhale, forward fold over the legs, allowing the fist to come overhead too. Inhale to rise, sweep the fingers coming through Ardha Utkatasana, moving into Yogi Squat Malasana. Hands to the earth, lift the hips and start to roll up to stand, stacking the vertebrae one by one as you come up. Crown of the head is the last to rise. Shoulders down the back. Arms sweep up and overhead, palms touch. Exhale, hands behind the back. Run the chest open, perhaps going marginally deeper this time in your back bend. Use the inhale breath to lift you back up. Exhale, forward fold, fist coming over the head. Inhale to rise, sweeping the fingers, bending the knees, Ardha Utkatasana. Hands to the sternum, Malasana. Place the hands on the earth, lift the hips and roll up to stand, stacking your vertebrae, seeing if you can really curve through the spine on the way up. Hands run by the sides and sweep to the sky. Palms come behind the back, shine the chest. Again, maybe incrementally going a little deeper now. Inhale to rise. Exhale, forward fold. Keep going with this drill. These reps are allowing us to combine active muscle control with loaded stretching to warm the joints and to help us tap into a dynamic, deeper range of motion. So if you want to get flexible fast, these are a brilliant one to do every single day. I'm going to link another flexibility flow to the top right-hand corner of this screen, so you can save it and try later on. Inhale, hands rise, palms touch overhead. Exhale, hands behind the back. Draw the fist down your back as you shine the chest open. Hopefully there's a little more space now for you to take this deeper. Inhale to rise. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rising up. Fingertips sweep the earth, Ardha Utkatasana. Exhale, Malasana. Hands to the earth, hips rise, rolling up to stand, stacking the vertebrae one by one. Shoulders down the back, two more. Hands rise, palms touch. Hands behind the back, draw open the chest, shine the sternum to the ceiling. Inhale to rise. Exhale, forward fold. Maybe tucking in the head a little deeper now too. Inhale, hands sweep the earth, Utkatasana. Exhale, coming into Malasana. Hands to the earth, last one, rolling up to stand. Inhale, palms rise overhead. Exhale, hands behind the back, maybe coming into your deepest back bend yet, but going easy, body with the breath. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sweep the fingers, Ardha Utkatasana. Exhale, Malasana, staying low this time in your yogi squat. We're about to move into some quad to hamstring activation. Hands on the earth, step back the right leg. Drop the right knee, release the toes. Hands reach up, biceps by the ears. Keep lengthening through the tailbone in this quad stretch. Hands under the shoulders, straighten through the left leg into your hamstring stretch. Bend the front knee, hands reach up to the sky. Quad stretch. You know where we're going. Hands to the earth, roll the hips backwards. Bend through the front knee, reach to the sky. 3 more. Hands under the shoulders, roll back the hips. Keep the toes dorsiflexed here to keep the hamstring engaged. Bend the front knee, fingers reach to the sky. Hands under the shoulders, roll back the hips. Bend the front knee, stretch the hands to the sky. Hands under the shoulders, roll back. Last one. Bend the front knee, hands reaching up. Exhale. Tuck the back toes. Reach the hands to the sky and exhale into your crescent lunge. Inhale to rise. Lift the back knee, straighten through the front leg and reach the body forwards. Take an inhale breath, drop the back right knee, exhale, crescent lunge. Now you know where we're going, you can start to up the tempo, moving the body with the breath. We're warming the joints so that we can deepen these stretches. On your next forward reach, hold. Bring the hands to the earth and exhale, forward fold over the front leg. Enjoy the stretch and release in your forward facing triangle. Bend both knees, dropping the right knee to the earth. Left hand opens up the left quad. Option to stay here, otherwise inhale, left hand sweeps behind you and takes the outside of the back right foot in this oblique twist. Inhale. Exhale, release both hands to the inside of the left foot. Step in the right foot, coming into Malasana. Hands to the earth, inhale, lift the hips. Feet are parallel. Take the peace fingers, wrap them around the big toes. Exhale, forward fold. We're taking this time to balance out our dynamic active stretches with isometric static holds. This will help you with your flexibility. Take an inhale breath. Exhale, release, hands to the hips and inhale all the way up to stand. Hands sweep overhead. Exhale, hands run a fist down the back. Coming into a deep, long back bend here. Inhale to rise. Exhale down and over the legs. Inhale, sweep the fingers, Utkatasana. Hands to the earth, stepping back the left leg. Drop the left knee, release the toes and inhale, hands rise to the sky. Exhale, hands under the shoulders, roll back the hips. Inhale, front knee bends, arms reach to the sky. You know where you're going. Notice if there's any difference on this side of the body. We're using these reps to even the body up. So you're going to be flexible all over from head to toe. As with any sort of training, consistency is key, so try to add your practice into a daily schedule if able. Last one in this rep, and I know you'll be doing a great job. On your next inhale breath, tuck the back toes, arms rise to the sky, exhale, crescent lunge. Inhale to rise, left knee lifts up, reach the arms forwards. Exhale, both knees bend, crescent lunge. Move at a tempo that works for you, moving the body with your breath. Every inhale ascends you, and every exhale, draw the knee down to the earth. Keep going. On your next inhale breath, in your forward reach, bring the hands to the earth. Exhale, forward facing triangle. Coming to your static hold. Enjoy the sensation of allowing your body to be still and calm. Maybe even close over the eyes. Inhale to rise. Bend the back knee, step it in, Malasana. Last one of the class, so enjoy this hip flexor release. Exhale, place the hands on the earth. Inhale, hips rise. Option to take peace fingers, otherwise standing on the hands with the toes coming up the wrists. Exhale, forward fold. Keep rolling the weight into the toes and pressing the hips up to the sky here. Noticing if you have any more space in the hips and the body now. Take an inhale breath. Exhale, release, hands to hips. Inhale all the way to standing as you rise. Bring the feet together. Hands sweep overhead, joining the palms. Take the thumbs down to the heart center as you give yourself some gratitude for your practice. Setting aside just 10 minutes a day for your flexibility will give you phenomenal results over time. And I've got loads more classes on my channel too. If you enjoyed this class, give it a like and drop a comment below so I can make even more classes for you. In the meantime, thank you for practicing with me and have a great day. Take care.